Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be teaching you how to pot a newly marcoted plant. The things that you will need are potting soil or gardening soil, a shovel, any kind of pot, and pruners. First, you gotta cut the stem to detach the marcot from the mother plant. Make sure to not cut yourself with the pruners you're using. Here you can see that we cut it as close to the plastic as possible. Now here are some of the roots of the plants. Make sure you don't cut them when you take the plant out of the plastic later on. During this part, you can put the plastic underneath the pot so it'll get less messy. And make sure to fill 1/3 to 1/2 of the pot with soil so that there's enough space for your marcot. Now remove the plant from the plastic and make sure you don't cut yourself, okay? Especially when you're using blunt pruners such as I am. You can also use the knife that we suggested earlier so that you can cut the plastic easily. Check out the roots of our plant! Now take the plant and put it in the pot. Get more soil and start filling the area around the plant. Make sure you're compressing the soil as you do it. At this point, you should get some water ready for the next step. Okay, now water your plant when you're done and add more soil on top. Ta-da! You're done! Here's the final look of our Rosal. Here are also some things that you need to keep in mind. Thank you so much for watching! If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Share this video and comment down below what you want to see next, and follow us on Instagram at pootsplants. And if you want to learn how to marcot, check out our previous video down here.